Thank you for watching this DEAR Systems tutorial. In this video, we'll cover the functionality of Pack in DEAR WMS. Once you've picked an item through the app, the next operation would be to pack the item. First, select Pack from the main menu of DEAR WMS. The pack screen will be displayed. Enter the order hash or tote hash. The pack screen with the selected order number will be displayed. Select the products by either scanning the product barcode or typing the product SKU manually. You can also tap the product you see on the screen and enter the quantity packed manually. After selecting all the products for the order, or selecting enough products for the first box, click Box button. Next, enter the width, length, height, and weight of the box if required. Some default options may be available in the box drop-down list if you have a shipping service connected, such as ShipStation. Next, tap Save Box, and the box will be ready to be shipped. If you have more picked products to be packed, tap Next Box. If you're ready to finish this order and you have a shipping service integration connected to DEAR, you will be able to generate shipping label directly within the WMS application by clicking the Print Label button. This concludes the pack functionality of the WMS tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact support@dearsystems.com.